Hi, I'm Craig.
I'm Christine. Hi, I'm Lauren.
I'm Johnny.
We're the cast of 8-Track, the sounds of the 70s.
Peace.
Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down tonight, baby.
It's sort of trip through the entire decade. It sort of starts at the beginning. It's four friends and their story, how they sort of grow up together through the decade of the 70s.
It's a musical romp.
We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Freak out. They freak, say shake. Freak out. Freak out. I'm totally freaking out.
It's just a great time. It really is. We have a blast doing it.
Thinking of you working up in appetite. Looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Rubbing 16 stones together, make the sparks ignite. And the thought of rubbing you is getting so excited.
Sky rockets in flight. Afternoon delight.
Fantastic. Absolutely. Yeah. We're recognizing a few outfits that we used to wear, too. Right.
Giddy, giddy, yeah, here.
I used to wear bell-bottom pants just like that.
Now I'm terrified.
You remember the next part? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
Promise, if you come see this show, you're gonna have fun.
And it's okay to get up and dance with us.